If you've ever wished you could make money from home or from anywhere in the world, freelancing might just be your golden ticket. I'm Drill Hustler, and today I'm showing you how to turn your skills into real cash without begging for a boss or punching a clock.
First, let's figure out what you can do. Are you good at writing, designing, editing videos, or maybe you're a social media wizard? Your skills are your currency.
Write down every skill you've got. Yes, even the ones you think aren't valuable. Trust me, someone out there is willing to pay for it.
Next, you need to get visible. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Make your profile pop. Use a clear photo, strong headline, and a short, confident bio.
Here's the trick. When you pitch to clients, don't just talk about what you do. Show them how you solve their problems. And make your proposal personal. No copy-paste spam.
Deliver on time, communicate clearly, and always over-deliver. A happy client leaves reviews, and reviews bring more clients. It's a cycle of growth.
When the money starts coming in, don't stop. Raise your rates as your reputation grows. That's how you go from making a little side income to a full-time freelance business.
And the best part? You can work from anywhere. Your bedroom, a coffee shop, or a beach halfway across the world.
So, what's your first freelance gig going to be? Drop it in the comments and let's hustle together.